Wait, don't go, don't move an inch. Yes, we are trying to unbox the Sony fx30. Wait, I say don't move. Wait. So, as you are waiting, the best thing to do for me, just click the subscription button. Click the subscription button. Subscribe. Then let's go. Then you like what you see. Let's go. So you like what you see? You like what you see? Yeah, I know you like it. So subscribe now if you have not. Subscribe now so you keep on watching our newest videos dropping. Mind you, it remains is Express Digital Center where you get all your gadgets in an affordable prices. So stick with us. Subscribe now.